Flip your robot over. Use a screwdriver to remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen the 4 screws securing the bottom cover. Then remove the bottom cover. Loosen the 3 screws on the wheel module. Pull the wing aside and lift out the wheel module. Install the new wheel module and tighten the 3 screws. Replace the bottom cover and tighten the 4 screws, making sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Replace the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw. Now your robot's ready to roll.